Hey, you ever guess what's right here under my finger? Oh, what is it? What are you doing, Maureen?
Trying to figure out how this shuts.
She's trying to figure out how to shut something. I wanted to show you guys this. This is our boat. It's a Lagoon 380. Well, it's nice sunset. We got here kind of late, so we don't have a key. And the marina's closed and they have our key. So we'll have to come back tomorrow and continue the tour, but we made it. We're here and we are boat owners. All right, it's day 2. We're actually on the boat now. You can get inside. I thought I'd try to give you guys a tour so you can see exactly what we've gotten ourselves into. So like I said, this is Lagoon. It's a 38-foot boat. It's got 3 bedrooms and 2 heads or bathrooms. One of them's a full-size bathroom. One's like just a small guest bathroom. But yep, it's here, and came with a dinghy. So that's basically going to be our car to get around and do things right now. But yeah, let's take a look around and see what we got. Well, right now she's named the Independence, but we've decided to change the name, and I'll let Maureen tell you what that is here in a bit. But yeah, we got it. We're fixing her up and getting ready. So let's kind of look at the boat piece by piece. So looking at the front of the boat, you can see it's got a nice area just to kind of relax and hang out up here. This netting is a trampoline. You can actually lay down and sit on that, and well, it should support your weight. We'll probably get a new one before long. That one's a little bit old. Then we got the front sail, which is called jib, and just a nice area to hang out. These things right here are actually seats that you can sit on while you're sailing, so it's nice and relaxing. You got the windows here, nice big windows to see out of, give you a good view of the inside. Then here's the big mast going all the way, oops, almost dropped the phone, all the way up to the top, the instruments and all that on top of it. Yeah, here's the hatches under. Underneath here is one of the beds. Over there's another hatch and another bed under there. So queen size beds under there. Doesn't look like it could hold one, but it kind of widens out near the bottom. So in this bag is the mainsail. Well, yeah, you take the halyard and it would go up onto the mast up there. Up there you can see we got our instrumentations and things like that. Wind with all the rigging, but it comes up. This one actually like rolls up, you know, kind of like rolls up like a burrito, and you unwind it to get it out. But this one just goes up and down right here, and it's directly above the salon, so you can actually get up there and work on it. So looking at the back of the boat here, so we got, you can see the helm station right back there with the where the wheel is, and it's got a nice hard top on there. On top of the hard top is some solar panels that keep us nice and charged up. And down here it comes down to these swimming platforms, so you can dive off and swim. That other one over there has a swim ladder on it, and there's our dinghy that's up on this crane system that pulls it up. But yeah, so it's a nice cool place to hang out here. Right here there's a table, sitting area, so you can have dinner and hang out here in the nice weather, or you can go inside and there's another table inside. So pretty nice, cool, relaxing little spot. All right, Maureen, so it's time to reveal the name of the boat and how we came up with the name of the boat. So
okay, so
we wanted to do something that kind of spoke to Steamboat or our lifestyle in Steamboat, but also something that speaks to the new life, I guess, on the boat. So the name of the boat is Sunnyside, after one of the Steamboat trails, but also I think it kind of alludes to our new life on the boat, and that it's hopefully going to be a sunny side of life. So
Yeah, I always look on the sunny side of life.
yes, so Sunnyside, SV Sunnyside.
Going from the outside to the inside, we got all of our stuff out all over the place here. Just still trying to get cleaned up and organized. So here is all your controls for electronics, all that, nav station, communications. Got a little TV here that you can sit over here in the dining area. Out here, this got a little table on it. There's actually a bigger table that goes here, but the smaller one's nice. That actually frees up all this room to throw our stuff on. But no, it's really nice to sit here and just relax here. And then come around here, there's a fridge. We'll keep all of our drinks, and some storage. And here's the kitchen area. Sink. There's Morgan hiding behind a mattress. And cupboard. So oven. So yeah, it's got all the comforts at home. It's a pretty nice big little area. I don't know if it's coming off in the on the video that way to tell, but there's quite a bit of area to cook and to hang out, and can sit in here if it's dark or if it's stormy outside. And check this out. Check out the views from inside. I know that it's just the shipyard right now, but just imagine the gorgeous Bahamas out there. All right, use your imagination. Just all around, surrounded by gorgeous blue waters and tropical islands. So coming down from the bridge deck down into one of the holes, this is one of the first bedrooms. It's a queen size bed. That's a mattress topper on it that goes all the way over here next to there. You have a nice tropical view, or boats at the moment. Then you turn around and over here, and there's also a smallest one. It's a little bit smaller bed, but you can definitely fit some of those kids in here. But also big windows, place to hang out. And then in here, there's just this is the small restroom in here. But you can shower in here if you need to. What's this? Oh, rules of the toilet. Good to know. Alright, going down into the master hole where Morgan's working right now, so it's kind of all tore up there. You can see there's some storage underneath where the bed would go. But what came over here, behind there, there's a desk in this side. And over here, there's a big size master bathroom. So it's got a sink and a john right here. But this is what makes this boat so nice, is that it's got this full size shower in here. So on the other side, you get to kind of shower in the middle of everything. Over here, it's got you can sit and relax. And it's got a full area for you to sit in, so you're not so crammed. And I can sit here on this and just think for a while. But yeah, it's good. It's this is what makes an owner's version, is that usually this area is another bedroom, but in this case it's a full size bathroom. So one last thing, when we get the new name, I'm saying to keep the mermaid on the boat. Morian says that it should go. So what do you guys think? Mermaid, should we keep it? Or should we just take it off when we take off the rest of the name? Leave a comment down below or send me your thoughts. Let me know what you think. I say keep it. What do you think? So that's kind of it for the first video. Oh, I'm so dark. Let me know. Do you want to see more of these? Do you want to know more about a particular thing? We'll be glad to show you while we're fixing it up. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope if you are able to, you come and take a sail with us soon. All right, miss everybody. Talk to you later.